What's going on, guys? NBcollectibles. A really quick video today. I got a package from Panini. God knows what's in this. I have redemption cards since 2012 and 2013, all the way up to this year. So God knows what's in here. I don't know if they finally decide to send redemptions away, or I even asked for replacements on some. So that might be a replacement, God knows. There's no paperwork saying if it's a replacement or anything, unless it ain't. So this has to be a replacement. I asked for a replacement recently for a National Treasure 2013 hockey. Who was it? Was it Gribenson or? I don't remember. I'd have to go check. But I will take this over that National Treasure, that's for sure. Classic combo autograph on card, Doug Gilmour and Wendell Clark out of 100. So I'll take this for sure. So Panini did go through this time. So this is it, guys. Quick video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll take this end of the week. Take it easy. Peace.